In this video, I want to show you a really quick, easy little cybersecurity party trick to hide information in a file that no one else can see. So we've got a Windows 10 system here. We are going to bring up a command window. And I'm logged in as an administrator, but you certainly don't have to be an admin to do this. You just need a folder that you can write to. And this is going to my home directory, so I can easily write files here. Just going to call Notepad, and we got to give it a file name. So we're just going to call this plain.txt. So it's going to prompt us to generate a new file. We say yes, and this has a secret, but you cannot find it. So this is what we're going to put in the plain file, and this is the one that would be visible to everyone. I'm going to do a file save. We're going to close that. Now here comes the trick. We can take this same exact file, I can create a new file, but now I'm going to put a password on it. So I'm going to put a colon, and now I put a password, and I'm going to call it password123 because we got to get through Microsoft Complexity. Just kidding, not really a complexity check. You can use anything you want. This is just actually the name of a file stream, and no one would typically see this in the interface. So we're going to call it password123 as our supposed password. And now it says, hey, you're creating this new file. Do you want to do that? Sure. This is the part that has secret info. This has secret information that no one else will notice. So I'm going to save this. So now we've created what appears to be two files. It's really one file in the file system. And I want to show you what others would see. So if I bring up the Windows Explorer and just navigate out to that directory, the users directory, administrator, then I see here is the plain file. And this is how others would view it. They double click on it. They can't figure out what is really in that file stream. So they see the basic info. The only way to see that file stream is to go back out to a command window and put in the proper password. So if I put in password123, I get the secret information. If I don't put in the right password, then I'm prompted to create a new stream. So I'll say no there, but the important thing is what other people see is just the plain old text file. So that's a nice little neat trick you could share with your friends. Essentially hiding something within plain sight, so they see one version of the file, but if you got the right password, you can see the other version.